Hello, boys and girls. So today we are going to be doing grammar action verbs. Now, an action, well, just a verb in general, it shows that what a subject does. So we talk a lot about this in our class that you're actually doing an action. So running, building, walking. It's something that you see somebody doing is a verb. So an action verb expresses that action. So the girl builds a sandcastle. The girl is doing the building, that's her action. And what is she building? A sandcastle. The wave knocks it down. Knocking is the action that's happening. So what you're able to see. Commonly misused verbs include lie, lay, sit, set, and rise and raise. So these are just different because they have to do with past tense versus present tense. So we just have to make sure that we're using them correctly as far as which tense we're in. So for example, lie, sit, and rise do not use a direct object. So lie, sit, rise, you lie down, you sit on the chair, you rise in the morning. So they do not use a direct object. Lay, set, and raise uses a direct object. So the direct object might be a book, a glass, a hand. So you're talking about what you're lying down. So if you're talking about yourself, you can say lie, sit, rise. If you're talking about something else, you lay the book down. You can't say you lie the book down. You lay would be how you would correctly use that. Okay, so let's just talk about how action verbs. I have to make grammar notes on a document today. So I want you guys in your notebooks to write the date and to write action verbs. Show us someone doing something. Something you can actually see. All right, pause the video if you need to in order to take your notes, but that is what an action verb is. Okay? All right, so back over to, it says read each sentence and write each verb on the line provided. So you guys are looking for the actual verb that you guys, the actual verb that is found in here. So what action is being taken place? So for example, the first one, the farmer scatters seeds on the ground. So scattered is our action because that's what he's actually doing. He's scattering. So we just take that word and write it on the line. Make sure you follow the directions there, scatters. Okay, then it says down below, read the excerpt from A Reluctant Traveler. Circle 3 action verbs, then write 2 sentences about an unusual place you see. Includes at least 2 action verbs. So you're finding 3 verbs here, things you actually do. Then you're writing 2 sentences about a place that you've been before. So it could be the park, it could be Disney World. It doesn't matter where it is. It's just 2 places that you've seen and the things that you were doing there. So if you were just walking there, walking is an action verb because it's something that you're actually doing. Okay, that being said, you need 2 action verbs with at least 2 sentences. So that means that this is worth 2, 5, 10 whole points for this whole page. So don't skip the bottom, please. All right, boys and girls? All right, let us know if you have any questions about action verbs.